Crash course on Portugal. Day trips and excursions. Portugal offers an array of exciting day trips and excursions that allow travelers to explore nearby attractions and even venture into neighboring countries. Whether you're looking for historical sites, natural wonders, or cultural experiences, there are plenty of options to suit every interest. Let's discover some interesting stories, examples, and the top 12 attractions for day trips and excursions in Portugal, making your journey even more memorable. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Sintra's enchanting palaces. The town of Sintra, located just outside Lisbon, is known for its fairytale-like palaces. The Pena Palace, with its colorful turrets and romantic gardens, and the Quinta da Regaleira, with its mysterious tunnels and hidden symbolism, transport visitors to a magical world. 2. The Douro Valley Wine Region. Embark on a journey to the Douro Valley, where terraced vineyards stretch across rolling hills, producing Portugal's famous port wine. Take a scenic cruise along the Douro River, visit historic wine estates, and savor the region's culinary delights. 3. The historic city of Évora. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Évora is a treasure trove of history and culture. Explore its well-preserved Roman temple, wander through the narrow streets of the old town, and visit the stunning Chapel of Bones. Top 12 attractions of day trips and excursions. 1. Douro Valley. Experience the picturesque landscapes, vineyards, and wine tastings in the Douro Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Sintra. Explore the enchanting palaces, such as Pena Palace and Quinta da Regaleira, in the fairy-tale-like town of Sintra. 3. Cascais. Visit this charming coastal town known for its beautiful beaches, historic center, and the scenic Boca do Inferno. 4. Abidos. Step into a medieval wonderland in Abidos, with its well-preserved castle, cobblestone streets, and traditional houses. 5. Berlengas Islands. Take a boat trip to the Berlengas Islands, a nature reserve known for its pristine beaches, caves, and diverse marine life. 6. Guimarães. Discover the birthplace of Portugal and explore its well-preserved historic center, including the Guimarães Castle and the Palace of the Dukes of Bragança. 7. Aveiro. Known as the Venice of Portugal, Aveiro charms visitors with its colorful Malacero boats, Art Nouveau architecture, and delicious traditional sweets known as Ovio's moles. 8. Fátima. Visit the renowned pilgrimage site of Fátima, where millions of visitors come to pay their respects at the sanctuary of Fátima. 9. Coimbra. Immerse yourself in academic history by visiting the historic University of Coimbra, one of the oldest universities in the world, and explore its captivating library and botanical garden. 10. Porto. Explore the vibrant city of Porto, known for its iconic port wine cellars, charming Ribeira district, and architectural wonders like the Dom Luís I Bridge. 11. Ria Formosa Natural Park. Discover the stunning natural beauty of Ria Formosa, a protected coastal lagoon system, by taking a boat trip, birdwatching, or relaxing on its pristine beaches. 12. Elvas. Delve into history by visiting the fortified city of Elvas, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its impressive fortifications, ancient aqueduct, and beautiful historic center. Summarizing this writing, Portugal's day trips and excursions offer a wide range of experiences, from exploring fairytale palaces in Sintra to savoring wine in the Douro Valley. Whether you're venturing to historic towns like Évora and Abidos, or exploring the natural wonders of the Berlengas Islands and Ria Formosa, each destination holds its unique charm and surprises. These day trips allow you to delve deeper into Portugal's history, natural beauty, and cultural diversity. Now, let's end this crash course on Portugal with a poem. In Portugal's realm, adventures await. Day trips and excursions, new paths to navigate. Douro's vineyards, where wine stories unfold. Sintra's palaces, enchantment untold. Cascais' coastal beauty, a scenic retreat. Abido's medieval charm, history's heartbeat. Berlengas Islands, nature's paradise. Guimarães heritage, Portugal's birthplace's rise. Aveiro's canals, a Venetian allure. Fátima's pilgrimage, faith's embrace pure. Coimbra's academia, knowledge's abode. Porto's vibrant soul, riverside ode. Ria Formosa's nature, serenity bestowed. Elvas fortifications, history's ode. Day trips and excursions, Portugal's delight. Discovering treasures, from morning to night. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.